Please rise for the national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा। विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा। तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे। गाहे तव जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
Today is the State Formation Day celebrations of Bihar, Rajasthan, and Odisha. Now it is a great pleasure to invite respected Joint Secretary to Governor Garu, Shri Suri Prakash Garu. So please come forward to deliver address.
Honorable Governor, sir, respected dignitaries, dear students and ladies and gentlemen, I am happy to welcome you all to the Formation Day of Bihar, Rajasthan and Odisha. Today this program has been organized by the Andhra Pradesh Lok Bhavan under the program of Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat. Bihar holds significance because of its unique dialect, ancient monuments and tourist attractions including the famous Buddhist circuit. The word Bihar is derived from the Sanskrit and Pali word vihara, meaning abode. During the ancient and medieval times, Buddhist monks inhabited most of the regions surrounding the state. The idea of non-violence originated from Bihar around 2600 years ago. The great Lord Buddha and Lord Mahavir were propagators of this enchanting thought. Bihar is also the origin of two biggest religions in the world, namely Buddhism and Jainism. Bihar is also home to the world famous Nalanda University and Mundeshwari temple, known as the oldest Hindu temple in the country. Rajasthan holds the distinction of being the largest state in the country. Each city in the state has its unique color code, adding charm and character to their streets. Jodhpur is known as the blue city, Jaipur as the pink city, Udaipur, the city of lakes, mesmerizes visitors with white buildings. Jaisalmer exudes shades of yellow with its magnificent golden Jaisalmer fort. Kumbhalgarh Fort, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, boasts of a second largest continuous wall spread over 36 kilometers after the Great Wall of China. Odisha, formerly known as Kalinga, constitutes an integral part of the rich and vast legacy of Indian culture and history. It is here the bloodiest war between Mauryan Empire and Kalingans was fought. It was after this crude annexation of Kalinga that Ashoka gave up war and preached peace and Buddhism. The famous Konark temple, also known as the Sun Temple, was built in the state of Orissa in 13th century. The Jagannath temple of Puri, one of the Char Dhams in India and famous for its annual Rath Yatra, is also located in the state of Odisha. The Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat program aims to forge interaction and promote mutual understanding between people of different states and union territories. Through this program, we celebrate the unity and diversity of our nation and maintain and strengthen the emotional bond between the people of our country. With these few words, I conclude my welcome note. Thank you all. Jai Hind.
Thank you very much, sir. Now we have message by Shri Lieutenant General Syed Atta Hasnain Garu, Honorable Governor of Bihar State.
नमस्कार। बिहार दिवस के अवसर पर मैं देश के विभिन्न राज्यों एवं विदेशों में रहने वाले बिहारी वासियों को हार्दिक बधाई और शुभकामनाएं देता हूं। आज का ये पावन दिवस बिहार के गौरवशाली इतिहास, समृद्ध सांस्कृतिक परंपरा और उसकी विशिष्ट पहचान को स्मरण करने के महत्वपूर्ण दिन है। ये दिन हमें उस ऐतिहासिक क्षण की याद दिलाता है जब 22 मार्च 1912 को बिहार एक पृथक राज्य के रूप में स्थापित हुआ था। आपके इस प्रतिष्ठित लोक भवन में बिहार दिवस के आयोजन के लिए मैं माननीय राज्यपाल और उपराज्यपाल के प्रति कृतज्ञता व्यक्त करता हूं। माननीय प्रधानमंत्री के विजन एक भारत श्रेष्ठ भारत के अंतर्गत आयोजित ये कार्यक्रम हमारे राष्ट्र की विविधता में एकता की भावना को अभिव्यक्त करता है। ऐसे आयोजन विभिन्न राज्यों के बीच पारस्परिक समझ, सांस्कृतिक आदान प्रदान और सहयोग की भावना को बढ़ावा देते हैं तथा राष्ट्र की एकता, अखंडता और सामूहिक प्रगति को और अधिक सुदृढ़ बनाते हैं। वैदिक काल से लेकर आधुनिक युग तक बिहार ने भारत की आध्यात्मिक, बौद्धिक, राजनीतिक और सांस्कृतिक विरासत को समृद्ध बनाने में महत्वपूर्ण योगदान दिया है। बिहार राजश्री जनक जैसे आदर्श शासक, अशोक जैसे महान सम्राट, समुद्रगुप्त सरीखे अपारजय विजेता, चंद्रगुप्त जैसे कुशाल प्रशासक, वीर कंवर सिंह जैसे योद्धा, चाणक्य जैसे नीतिज्ञ और याज्ञवल्क्य, गौतम, कपिल, कनद एवं विश्वामित्र जैसे ब्रह्मज्ञानी ऋषियों की जन्मभूमि रही है। इस धरती ने मंदन मिश्रा जैसे महान दार्शनिक, विद्यापति और राष्ट्रकवि रामधारी सिंह दिनकर जैसे यशस्वी कवियों तथा दशरथ मांझी जैसे पर्वत पुरुष को जन्म दिया है। माता सीता तथा सिख परंपरा के 10वें और अंतिम गुरु गोविंद सिंह जी की जन्मभूमि होने के का गौरव भी बिहार को प्राप्त होता है। विश्व की दो महान आध्यात्मिक परंपराएं, बौद्ध धर्म और जैन धर्म का उदय भी इस पवित्र भूमि से हुआ। बिहार का वैशाली विश्व में लोकतंत्र की जननी के रूप में प्रतिष्ठित है। प्राचीन काल में नालंदा एवं विक्रमशिला विश्वविद्यालय शिक्षा के विश्वख्यात केंद्र थे, जहां दूर दूर से विद्यार्थी ज्ञानार्जन के लिए आते थे और जिन्होंने भारत के बौद्धिक परंपरा को विश्व पताल और प्रतिष्ठित किया। भारतीय स्वतंत्रता संग्राम में भी बिहार का योगदान अत्यंत गौरवपूर्ण है। महात्मा गांधी ने चंपारण में सत्याग्रह का पहला सफल प्रयोग किया, जिसने स्वतंत्रता आंदोलन को नई दिशा और शक्ति प्रदान की। स्वतंत्रता प्राप्ति के बाद लोकतांत्रिक मूल्यों की रक्षा के लिए लोकनायक जयप्रकाश नारायण के नेतृत्व में जन आंदोलन की ऐतिहासिक शुरुआत भी बिहार से ही हुई। आज राजगीर, बोध गया, नालंदा, पटना साहब और वैशाली जैसे पवित्र एवं ऐतिहासिक स्थल विश्व भर के पर्यटक और श्रद्धालुओं के लिए आस्था, ज्ञान और प्रेरणा के महत्वपूर्ण केंद्र बने हुए हैं। बिहार के लोग काफी परिश्रमी और प्रतिभाशाली हैं तथा देश विदेश में जहां भी वे कार्यरत हैं अपनी प्रतिभा, कर्म तथा और समर्पण से बिहार का गौरव बढ़ा रहे हैं। हमारे राज्य के लोग सहृदय हृदय, उदार और मिलनसार होते हैं तथा अपने अतिथियों का स्वागत स्नेह और आतिथ्य और सम्मान के साथ करते हैं। मैं अपने राज्यवर्षों की ओर से आप सभी को बिहार आने के लिए आमंत्रित करता हूँ। बिहार स्थापना दिवस के अवसर पर मैं एक बार पुनः आप सबको हार्दिक बधाई और शुभकामनाएं देता हूँ। साथ ही इस कार्यक्रम का आयोजन के लिए माननीय राज्यपाल, उपराज्यपाल तथा उनके सभी सहयोगियों के प्रति अपना आभार व्यक्त करता हूँ। मुझे विश्वास है कि ऐसे आयोजन हमारी राष्ट्रीय एकता और सामूहिक प्रगति की भावना को और अधिक सशक्त बनाते हैं। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। जय हिंद, जय बिहार।
Thank you very much, sir. Bihar is known for its great history and education. It is the land where knowledge and wisdom have guided generations. Now we have presentation of a short video on the Bihar state.
Bihar is a unique state which carries a rich historical lineage. The history of Bihar dates back to the very dawn of human civilization. Mythological tales cites Sita as a princess daughter of King Janak of Videha. Ramayana circuit is traced on these footmarks. Bihar sprouted the first seeds of democracy in the world. Bihar has seen the birth of the prominent religions, Buddhism and Jainism. Prince Gautam attained enlightenment, became Buddha at Bodh Gaya. The hill of Kiddhakut in Rajgir is perhaps the most important place related to the life of Buddha. Jainism traces its spiritual ideas and history through the succession of 24 Tirthankaras. Vardhaman Mahavira was born in Vaishali. Mahavir achieved nirvana in Pavapuri, which is a pilgrim site for Jains from across the world. Bodh Gaya, Vaishali, Lichwar, related to the both Buddhism and Jainism, sees large number of tourist footfall. Nanda dynasty, who ruled most of the northern part of the Indian subcontinent. Ancient sources credit them with amassing great wealth, which was probably a result of introduction of new currency and taxation system. Down the lanes of history, Chandragupta Maurya in ancient India expanded a kingdom based in Magad. Kumrar in Patna stands testimony to the great Mauryan Empire. Ashoka, the grandson of Chandragupta, built numerous stupas and pillars in his empire. The national symbol, the four-headed lion, which adorns Indian currency, was erected atop the Ashokan pillar. The Gupta Empire is considered as a golden age of India by historians. Many Hindu epics and literary sources such as Mahabharata and Ramayana was canonized during this period. Vishnupad temple in Gaya is visited by Hindus from across the globe for salvation of ancestors. Harmandir Sahib in Patna city is an important pilgrimage for Sikhs from around the globe. History has definitely been the foundation of major tourism activity in Bihar. Buddhist circuit is a trail which traces Buddha in Bihar. The Ramayana circuit sheds an interesting reflection on the ancient history and epic Ramayana and its connection with Bihar. Connection of Mahatma Gandhi with Bihar, popular as Gandhi Circuit. The development of the state is further reflected in its roads, bridges, and better connectivity. Golghar on the banks of river Ganga is an attraction which catches a lot of attention. Introduction to Bihar would not be complete without the mention of its delectable cuisine. Chhath, Holi, Dashehra are also important occasions that bind the diaspora to congregate. In Bihar, one finds interesting painting styles like Madhubani, Manjusha, Sikki and Tikuli art forms worldwide favorite. Bihar also has a well-preserved ecology, promoting eco-tourism. Kakolit Waterfalls, Bhimband in Munger, Ghora Katura in Rajgir, Valmiki Nagar Tiger Reserve, Gangetic Dolphin Sanctuary in Kehelgaon. To promote the tourism spirit and local sensibilities, Bihar Tourism Department takes active part in promoting about 36 fairs and festivals in the state. Bihar is a fascinating mix of tradition coupled with fast-paced development, an ideal concoction for tourists.
Beautiful AV of Bihar. Thank you very much. Rajasthan is famous for its kings, forts, and bravery. It stands as a symbol of courage, honor, and royal heritage. Now we have presentation of a short video on the Rajasthan state.
A land of many kings, where warriors fought for their motherland with great valor. Listen to their voices. I started it all. I laid the foundation stone. I planned it in pink. I quenched the kingdom's thirst. I built a wall of protection. I keep the faith going. Despite being small, I guard the wild. I give refuge to the endangered. I devoted myself selflessly. I safeguarded honor. I adorn my subjects. I design with passion. I set the taste buds on fire or soothe with my sweetness. I make sure all you touch is gold. Each of them kings in their own rights. Each as supreme as the other. There is no other place where so many wait to be the first one to welcome you. To say, Padharo Mare Des. Rajasthan, a kingdom of many kings and warriors.
That was the greatness of Rajasthan. Thank you very much. Now we have a message by Shri Haribab Garu, Honorable Governor of Odisha State.
Namaskar. Jai Jagannath. On the auspicious occasion of Odisha Divas, I extend my warmest greetings and heartfelt wishes to all Odia sisters and brothers residing across different states of India and around the world. This day holds a special place in our hearts as it marks the foundation of Odisha as a separate state based on linguistic identity, a historic milestone that gave a distinct voice and recognition to the Odia language, culture, and heritage. Odisha Devas is not merely a commemoration of statehood, it is a solemn tribute to the relentless efforts, sacrifices, and indomitable spirit of great leaders and freedom fighters who envisioned a unified homeland for Odia speaking people. Leaders such as Madhusudana Das, Maharaja Krishna Chandra Gajapati, Gopabandhu Das, Pandit Nilakanta Das, Raja Ramachandra Mardaraj Dev, and Gauri Shankar Ray played a pivotal role in this historic journey. Despite the challenges of colonial rule, their collective resolve led to the formation of Odisha in 1936, even before India attained independence. I bow in deep respect to these visionary personalities whose dedication laid the foundation of this proud state. Odisha is a land of rich diversity and living traditions. From the serene coastline and mighty rivers to the green forests and tribal heartlands, every part of the state reflects natural beauty and strength. The sacred tradition of Lord Jagannath and the universal appeal of Jagannath culture represent inclusivity, harmony, and devotion, transcending barriers of caste, creed, and region. The grand temples, classical art forms, vibrant festivals, traditional handlooms, handicrafts, and enduring traditions together create a cultural legacy that is both unique and deeply inspiring. Every Odia has every reason to cherish this glorious heritage. Being Odia is indeed a matter of deep pride and honor. Today, Odisha continues to move forward on a steady path of development and transformation. With a clear vision for inclusive and sustainable growth, significant progress is being made across sectors such as infrastructure, education, industry, and social welfare. The collective strength and resilience of the people are driving this journey, positioning Odisha as an important contributor to the nation's progress. On this significant occasion, I also express my sincere gratitude to all honorable governors, lieutenant governors, and administrators of various states and union territories who have joined in celebrating Odisha Divas. Such gestures reflect the true spirit of unity in diversity and strengthen the bonds between different regions of our country. Taking inspiration from Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji's vision of Ek Bharat, Shrestha Bharat, let us continue to learn from each other, celebrate our diversity, and work together to build a stronger and more united India. I take this opportunity to appeal to all Odias, wherever they may be, to preserve and promote the rich cultural heritage and uphold the Odia Asmita, the pride of Odia identity. Let us remain connected to the roots while contributing meaningfully to the progress of the state and the nation. Together, let us strive towards the vision of a Vikasit Odisha by 2036, marking 100 years of statehood, and contribute actively towards realizing the dream of a Vikasit Bharat by 2047. Once again, I extend my heartfelt congratulations and best wishes to all Odias living in different parts of India and across the globe. May this Odisha Divas inspire everyone to cherish the rich heritage, strengthen unity, and work collectively towards a brighter and more prosperous future. Thank you all. Vande Utkal Janani. Jai Hind.
Thank you very much, sir. Odisha is known for its culture, temples, and traditions. It reflects deep spirituality and rich artistic heritage. Now we have presentation of a short video on the Odisha state.
Odisha, not just a place, but a feeling, a land where every journey is a discovery and every experience a story waiting to be told. Here, time bows before devotion. Ancient temples rise from the sands of history, their echoes carried by the sea breeze. Hymns whisper through sacred stones, where the past isn't forgotten, it lives. Boundless horizons, golden shores, tides that heal. Travelers and birds alike find sanctuary in Odisha's embrace. Sail, surf, soar, Odisha's waters call, and at eco-retreat, luxury and nature come together in perfect harmony. Venture into the wild, where nature roams free, untouched and untamed. Every step is an adventure. Every path leads to wonder, crafted by hand, woven with tradition. Every piece of art, every brushstroke, every thread, not just souvenirs, but pieces of Odisha's soul. Deep roots, vibrant lives, the guardians of an ancient way of life, where time stands still, yet speaks to tomorrow. A feast of flavors, a taste of love. Savor Odisha's culinary treasures, where each dish tells a story of heritage and warmth. At Nimantran, dine above Puri's blue wave, where every meal is a memory in the making. When dusk falls, Odisha awakens. Music, art, innovation, woven into one. A land where past and future dance as one. Where every festival is a celebration of life. Feel the rush. Hear the roar. In India's sports capital, where legends rise and the world watches. From heritage trails to adventure gateways, wellness retreat to eco-tourism, Odisha is ready to redefine the travel experience.
भारत को समझने के लिए ओडिशा एक बेहतरीन डेस्टिनेशन है। यहाँ हजारों वर्ष के हमारी हेरिटेज है, हिस्ट्री है, आस्था, आध्यात्म, घने जंगल, पहाड़, समंदर, हर चीज के दर्शन एक ही जगह पर होते हैं। ये राज्य विकास और विरासत का अद्भुत मॉडल है। यहाँ की 500 किलोमीटर से लंबी कोस्टलाइन, 33% से ज्यादा का फॉरेस्ट कवर, इको टूरिज्म, एडवेंचर टूरिज्म की अनंत संभावनाएं आपका इंतजार कर रही है।
Some places you visit, others change you forever. Odisha calls. Will you answer?
Beautiful AV of Odisha. Thank you very much. Now, may I request Mr. Anand Kumar of Bihar State from Vignan University. Please come forward to deliver speech.
esteemed chief guest and all the people, ladies and gentlemen. So आज मेरे लिए बहुत गर्व की बात है कि मैं आप सबके सामने प्रस्तुत हूँ अपने बिहार के बारे में बताने के लिए. बात करें बिहार की तो बिहार 22 मार्च 1912 को बंगाल प्रेसिडेंसी से अलग होकर एक अलग प्रांत के रूप में स्थापित हुआ था. बात करें बिहार की तो बिहार में ही वह जगह है जहाँ पे नालंदा विश्वविद्यालय और विक्रमशिला जैसे विश्वविद्यालय ने पूरे देश भर में ज्ञान और पूरे विश्व भर में ज्ञान को फैलाया है. बात करें तो बोध गया की तो बोध गया में महात्मा बुद्ध ने ज्ञान की प्राप्ति की और पूरे विश्व भर को शांति का एक पैगाम दिया. और बिहार के चंद्रगुप्त मौर्य जो कि हमारे पूर्व राजा थे, उन्होंने पूरे विश्व को एक पैगाम दिया और जिनका परचम अफगानिस्तान तक लहराया हुआ था. आज बिहार एक बहुत ही डेवलप और एक उम्मीद की तरफ बढ़ता हुआ नज़र आ रहा है, लेकिन आज भी बिहार में बाढ़ जैसी कई समस्याएं झेलनी पड़ती है, जिस वजह से आज भी बिहार के लोगों को काफ़ी दिक्कत झेलनी पड़ती है.
Thank you very much, Ma. Now, may I request Mr. Tanishq of Rajasthan from SRM University. Please come forward to deliver a poem.
नमस्कार सभी को. मैं जयपुर राजस्थान से तनिष्क यादव आज आप सभी के समक्ष एक कविता लेके प्रस्तुत हुआ हूँ जिसका शीर्षक है मैं राजस्थान हूँ. मैं संस्कृति का स्थान हूँ, मैं भारत का अभिमान हूँ, मैं भूमि हूँ महावीरों की, मैं राजस्थान हूँ. मैंने जन्मा है वीरों को, तलवारों को और तीरों को, भानगढ़ जैसे कीलों को, जैसलमेर जैसे झीलों को. मेरी सुंदरता अनंत है, जयपुर का गुलाबी रंग है. मुझ में बसती हैं कलाकृतियां, पूरा संसार जिनसे दंग है. भ्रम का स्थान मैं पुष्कर हूँ, सूर्य की नगरी में जैसे जोधपुर हूँ. सिर पर पगड़ी मेरा अभिमान है, मेरा पहनावा मेरी पहचान है. जिसे लिख ना सके कोई शब्दों में, इतिहास बेहद पुराना हूँ. मैं राज्य नहीं मैं राजा हूँ, मैं राजाओं का घराना हूँ. अपनेपन अनोखी संस्कृतियों से मैं करता सबका सम्मान हूँ. मैं भारत का अभिमान हूँ, मैं राजस्थान हूँ. मीठी सी बोली सूं सगलारो सम्मान, ऐसा है आपनो राजस्थान. धन्यवाद. मेरी अगली कविता का शीर्षक है वो आज नहीं तो कल होगा. हर एक संकट का हल होगा, वो आज नहीं तो कल होगा. माना की है अंधेर बहुत और चारों ओर नाकामी है. माना की थक्कर टूट रहे और सफर अभी दुर्गामी है. जीवन के आपाधापी में जीने का ठिकाना छूट गया. माना की थक्कर सपनों का नींदों में आना छूट गया. माना की हिम्मत टूट गई, आंखों में निराशा छाई है. माना की चांद पे ग्रहण है, पर रात अभी गहराई है. पर कृष्ण ने साफ कहा है कि बस कर्म तुम्हारा कल होगा, और कर्म में अगर सच्चाई है तो कर्म कहाँ निष्फल होगा. हर एक संकट का हल होगा, वो आज नहीं तो कल होगा. लोहा जितना तपता है उतनी ही ताकत भरता है. सोने को जितनी आग लगे वो उतना प्रखर निखरता है. हीरे पर जितनी धार लगे वो उतना खूब चमकता है. मिट्टी का बर्तन पकता है तब धुन पर खूब खनकता है. सूरज जैसा बनना है तो सूरज जितना जलना होगा. नदियों सा आदर पाना है तो पर्वत छोड़ निकलना होगा. और हम आदम के बेटे हैं, क्यों सोचे राह सरल होगा. कुछ ज्यादा वक्त लगेगा पर संघर्ष जरूर सफल होगा. हर एक संकट का हल होगा, वो आज नहीं तो कल होगा. धन्यवाद. जय हिंद.
Thank you very much. Now I welcome Dr. Deepashika Mishra of Odisha from VIT University. Please come forward to sing a song.
Good evening, everyone. Honorable Governor Sir, distinguished officials, dear friends, and dear student. So I am representing Dr. Deepashika Mishra, VIT AP. So today I am going to perform one bhajan. It is based on actually the Vatsalya Rasa, the selfless love of mother. So in Odisha, every mother is seeing Lord Jagannath in their son. So this song is based on that. निद माउसी दे आउसी जगनाथी मोरा निद माउसी दे आउसी जगनाथी मोरा चाही चाही का जीवन जाऊ चकाखी को तार चाही चाही का जीवन जाऊ चकाखी को तार निद माउसी दे आउसी निद माउसी दे आउसी निद माउसी दे आउसी निद माउसी दे आउसी कने पारी सजी देवी पाट पतानी पिंधे देवी कने पारी सजी देवी पाट पतानी पिंधे देवी तुम न जानी खोई देवी कोले झूले सोई देवी बड़ दांडरे कही बोलिबी कालिया पुआ मोरा बड़ दांडरे कही बोलिबी कालिया पुआ मोरा जगत लागी खोली देछि सिंह दुआर तार जगत लागी खोली देछि सिंह दुआर तार कला ठाकुर पुआ मोहर कला ठाकुर पुआ मोहर कला ठाकुर पुआ मोहर कला ठाकुर पुआ मोहर थैंक यू
Thank you very much. Now we welcome Ms. Abhipsha Rajguru of Odisha from VIT University. Please come forward to perform solo dance.
देवी रत्नगिरी वासिनी हार प्यार खंडिनी उच्च रम्य सेवनी मां रक्ष नमः तारा तारिणी मत्तुभयं कुमारं त्वं चरण सेविनी भक्तिहीन क्रियाहीनं त्वमिव पापहारिणी मां रक्ष नमः तारा तारिणी नमः तारा तारिणी नमः तारा तारिणी नमः तारा तारिणी श्री श्री ताहि श्री 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 श्री ताहि श्री ताहि श्री ताहि ताहि
Thank you very much. On this great occasion, now we welcome Bihar, Rajasthan and Odisha states traditional dance performance, traditional folk dance performance by Icon School students, Vijayawada. Please come forward.
कैसे खेले जैबो सावन में कजरिया बदरिया घेरी आए नदी कैसे खेले जैबो सावन में कजरिया बदरिया घेरी आए नदी ओ घेरी आए नदी ओ घेरी आए नदी ओ घेरी आए नदी कैसे खेले जैबो कैसे खेले जैबो सावन में कजरिया बदरिया घेरी आए नदी कैसे खेले जैबो सावन में कजरिया बदरिया घेरी आए नदी तू त जात हवा केली केहू संग ना सहेली तू त जात हवा केली हाँ तू त जात हवा केली केहू संग ना सहेली तू त जात हवा केली केहू संग ना सहेली छैला रोक लई है छैला रोक लई है तोहरी डगरिया बदरिया घेरी आए नदी कैसे खेले जैबो सावन में कजरिया बदरिया घेरी आए नदी
That was beautiful traditional folk dance performance by Icon School students, Vijayawada. Thank you very much. Today is the State Formation Day celebrations of Bihar, Rajasthan and Odisha. It gives me immense pleasure to invite His Excellency, the Honorable Governor of Andhra Pradesh, Shri Abdul Nazir Garu, to grace the occasion with his valuable address.
KVV Satyanarayana Raju Garu, Chancellor, Godavari Global University, Rajamandri, and KIMS, Amlapuram, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, my dear students, warm greetings to you all. At the outset, I extend my hearty greetings and felicitations to the people of Bihar, Rajasthan, and Odisha on the occasion of the Founders' Day of the respective states celebrated on 22nd March, 30th March, and 1st April every year. Bihar had a glorious past, and the state is full of history and spiritual significance. Located in the eastern part of India, Bihar is known as the land of monasteries. The state is home to many historic landmarks that make the state worth visiting. Two of India's most glorious dynasties, Mauryas and Guptas, flourished in the ancient Bihar region, which was then known as Magad. The great king Ashoka of Mauryan dynasty, whose empire spread across South Asia, hailed from Bihar. He had his capital at Pataliputra, that is present-day Patna. The Gupta period is termed as India's golden age. Nalanda and Vikramashila were centers of learning established in the 5th and 8th centuries respectively, and they are regarded among the oldest international universities where students from across the world came to study. Ramayana, Mahabharata, and the grand epics of India have numerous tales associated with various places of Bihar. Bihar had also been a hub for the development of Sufism, as quite a few Sufi saints were settled here. Notable Islamic saints among them are Imam Taj Faqih of Maner, Shahabuddin of Jetuli, Mir Fazlullah Gosain of Daira, Ahmad Isa Taj of Baisaur, Sayyid Sadruddin Zaidi, etc. The Qadri order, which is one of the chief Sufi orders in the state, had one of its prominent representatives, Sayyid Muhammad of Amjhar Sharif, based in the Aurangabad district of Bihar. The 10th Sikh Guru, Sri Guru Gobind Singh Ji Maharaj, was born in Patna. Takht Sri Har Mandir Ji Sahib, built by Maharaja Ranjit Singh in Patna to commemorate his birthplace, is regarded as one of the 5 Akal Takhts by Sikhs. Now about Rajasthan. The historical state of Rajasthan, the land of kings, comprising of mighty forts and grand palaces, rekindles the image of righteous colors and a sense of pride and honor. The state is home to plenty of historic cities, incredible beautiful fortresses such as Udaipur Fort, Chittor Fort, Amber Fort, Ranthambore Fort, Jaisalmer Fort, etc. Rajasthan is one of India's prime tourist destinations, with a number of prominent centers such as Pushkar with its holy lake, the pink city of Jaipur, and the desert city of Jaisalmer that attract tourists from far and wide. Known as the cultural capital of India, the dance and music of Rajasthan are deeply ingrained in the life of people of the state, and the rich cultural and traditional lifestyle reflects the Indian way of life mixed with dance, music, and different forms of arts and crafts. The most popular dance forms of the state, like Ghumar and Kalbelia, are vibrant, energetic, and captivating. Popular singer Jagjit Singh, industrialist Ganesham Das Birla, Lakshmi Mittal, Olympian Rajvardhan Singh Rathore are some of the prominent people who hailed from the state of Rajasthan. And if you want to name, because I am from a legal background, the famous Dr. Manu Singhvi is also from this place. The history of Odisha, also known as Kalinga, Utkal, and Odra, goes back to the ages, as references are made to Kalinga in Mahabharata. During the time of Mahavir and Buddha, the Kalinga Utkal region on the entire east coast of India acquired recognition and fame. Ashoka's invasion of Kalinga was a landmark event of ancient times with far-reaching consequences. The famous Lingaraj temple at Bhubaneswar was built by Yajati Keshari and completed by his successors. The annual Jagannath Rath Yatra of Puri attracts thousands of people from all over the world. Odissi, the ancient Indian classical dance form originated from the state, is well known for its graceful movements, expressive gestures, right? And intricate footwork deeply rooted in devotion and storytelling. India's rich cultural heritage and history and the development of the country is based on the principles of non-violence, justice, diversity of languages, culture, religion tied in the thread of unity. The State Foundation Day of different states and union territories is celebrated with an aim to forge a strong relationship and bonding among the people of the country and promote mutual understanding. Our great leaders have strongly advocated the idea of unity, brotherhood, tolerance, and non-violence. As a nation, we strongly believe in the spirit of fraternity and universal brotherhood. I once again extend my heartiest greetings and felicitations to the people of Bihar, Rajasthan, and Odisha on the Foundation Day of the respective states. Thank you all. Jai Hind.
Thank you very much, sir, for your valuable, insightful words.